Welcome back to Reviews Bike. Today, we're looking at the all-new 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten, Ram's latest attempt to blend rugged pickup capability with true luxury and cutting-edge tech. Design and luxury. The 2025 Tungsten trim stands out with its bold exterior accents, unique grille design, and upscale chrome touches. Inside, Ram pushes pickup luxury to the next level. Think premium leather seats, real wood trim, and a panoramic sunroof that brings an airy feel to the cabin. Technology and features. This truck doesn't skimp on tech. A massive touchscreen with the latest Uconnect system takes center stage, paired with a digital driver display and an available premium Klipsch audio system. Convenience is key. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and smart storage solutions make daily driving easier than ever. Power and performance. Under the hood, the Tungsten offers multiple powertrains, including a robust V8 and a mild hybrid option for better efficiency. It keeps the Ram reputation alive with strong towing capabilities and a smooth, comfortable ride thanks to its advanced suspension system. Conclusion. The 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten is more than just a workhorse. It's proof that a pickup can deliver strength and refinement in one impressive package. If you want luxury without giving up capability, this truck should be on your radar.